Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a database in Clickup. Now, Clickup doesn't call it a database directly, but using lists, custom fields, and views, you can basically build a powerful database that's easy to manage and scale. So, yeah, let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Clickup workspace and decide where you want your database to live. This could be inside a space, a folder, or directly in a list. For most use cases, creating a list works best, since that's where your data will actually live. Once you're in the right space or folder, click to create a new list and give it a clear name based on what your database is for, like clients, content, inventory, or anything else. Now that your list is created, this is where it starts feeling like a database. Each task in the list acts as a single record or row. To organize your data, you'll want to add custom fields. Click on the Custom Fields option and start adding fields like text, numbers, dropdowns, dates, checkboxes, or even URLs. These fields are basically your database columns, so name them clearly and keep things simple at first. As you add custom fields, you'll see them appear across all tasks in the list. You can now enter structured information for each task, just like filling out rows in a spreadsheet. This makes it super easy to store consistent data and avoid messy notes or random descriptions. Next, switch between different views to actually use your database efficiently. List view is great for quick edits. Table view feels more like a traditional database or spreadsheet, and board view helps visualize data by status or category. You can also create custom views to filter or sort your data based on specific fields, which is really powerful once your database grows. Another helpful step is setting statuses that match your workflow. Instead of generic statuses, customize them to reflect how your data moves, like new, in progress, completed, or archived. This keeps everything organized and easier to track over time. Finally, don't forget about automation and permissions. You can add simple automations to update fields or statuses automatically and control who can view or edit the database. This is especially useful if you're working with a team. And that's basically it. By combining lists, custom fields, and views, you can create a flexible database in ClickUp that works for almost any use case. Once it's set up, managing and scaling your data becomes way easier. So yeah, hope this helped, and thanks for watching.